What is up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with a new video for you guys today. So we're getting straight into the video. So the Kawasaki, as you guys know, the fairings got finished. Now we just got something new, and we've all been waiting for this. Yep. Look at the shape of it, and look where it goes. Right there. We got the back seat, so I'm gonna go grab a knife and we're gonna cut it open. So here we go. Where should I start? Should probably start by taking the tape off. Or, yep. I'm gonna set you guys down real quick. So, let's go. Been waiting for this package for a while now. Finally here. Okay, not a package for me, but oh no, I gotta get rid of all my mailing address. But just noticed in my videos I might have been putting my address in it, so that's not good. There it is. This thing looking nice. Here it is. Now let's put it into place. And yeah. Clips in back here. And I'll go get my keys real quick. So we got the keys. Now we open up this lock. Finally about time. That's how the bike looks now. I didn't clip it in right, but I'm gonna redo that right now. So yeah. So this is a little short video for you guys, but the bike is finished. It's not actually finished. I don't know why I said that. Needs this to be straightened and that right there, and we're done. After that, the bike is gonna be finished. Oh, and that. So yeah, and the exhaust, maybe exhaust, that might stay. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, got this all done, and I want to reveal one more thing that I got done. I didn't record it, so might as well just show you guys the full bike. Full bike is finished. There we go. Now looks good, except the exhaust. I don't know why I keep saying the bike is finished. That probably is gonna stay, but that is gonna get fixed. So bike is finished, back seat, a little crack in there, but that sounds supposed to be so. Yeah, that's the bike for you guys. It is finished, completely finished. So if you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and comment down below for more videos like this. And make sure to let me know if you guys want more video like this, or do you guys want me to go back to challenges and vlogs, which that's probably not going to happen. But this bike, this moped is going to get fixed up next, and this one we're probably going to throw it on auction, because we need a whole new motor for it, and my dad is probably just going to buy a new bike. So this is my bike, keeping, and this one I'm gonna fix in probably, for $140 something, $145. This is gonna be a little fun bike to mess around on. He's probably gonna go. You guys might know what this would be. Front wheel is gonna come in. I don't know when, we haven't ordered it yet, but it is gonna come soon. And on this bike, we'll need to clean the carburetor right there. So yeah, that's the end of the video of this bike. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And that'll be it for this video. So see you guys next time on the moped. Is going to be next, actually. So see you guys eventually. I don't know when. I can't make no promises because I've already done that enough of times. So yeah, so like, subscribe, comment, and that'll be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and that's it. Peace out.